Hi guys, I am Shazad and welcome in Laravel 10 series with CRUD Operations. Okay, so this is the pure CRUD Operations series. So I consider that you have the basics knowledge of the Laravels because I'm not going to teach you that how can you create the controllers, how exactly the views work, how can you create the routes, how exactly routes work. If you are not familiar with the basics of the Laravel, we also have the same series available on this platform. So if you are not familiar with the Laravel or the basics of the Laravel, just find our course, enroll our course in this platform. Okay, so we are not going to teach you each and everything in this series. I am talking about the basics. So that's why we are saying just watch our series. Okay, so for the tools, we're going to use the VS Code. It's an editor. It's a free editor. You can also download the VS Code from the official website of the VS Code. Okay, so now if you are working on the PHP Storm, I love the PHP Storm and I'm working on the PHP Storm since 7 to 8 years. Okay, so if you are working on the PHP Storm, Sublime or any kind of text editor, it's up to you. Okay, so for the database purpose, you can also use the data grid, which is the JetBrains tools, and also you can use the PHP my admin. Okay, so you know very well that we always use the artisan command to access our local environment. Okay, so if you are saying that you're gonna use the PHP my admin, then definitely you need a package, you need a server, or you need the database. Okay, so if you talk about the server, you can also use the XAMPP, VAMP, LAMP, or any kind of server, but I'm gonna use the Laravel. If you are using the Laravel, believe me, it will save you a lot of times. Okay, so now we're gonna start from the zero. Like how can you download, install, and also configure the Laravel 10 version. We're gonna attach the Bootstrap 5, and also we're gonna use the white, which is the asset bundling in the Laravel. Okay, so now once we set up the project, then we're gonna create the forms, then we're gonna create the create operations, and then we're gonna show that particular records. We're gonna edit the record, we're gonna update the record, we're gonna delete the record, and at the end we're gonna restore the record. Okay, so now this is the basics series. Once we created the basics things, then I uploaded the other stuff in this series. And by the way, I'm your mentor. I am Shazad Ahmed and I have more than 10-year experience in web development in different kind of software houses. I have created thousands of websites, a lot of management systems, and a lot of APIs for my clients, and while working on different kind of software houses. I have created a lot of series available on this platform. So due to the shortage of the time, so now after a long time, I'm creating this series. So I hope guys you're gonna enjoy this series. So as well as I'm Shazad Ahmed and thank you for watching.